Hey guys, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors. So I want to jump right in. I'm doing a haul from Plannersisterstickers. I did go ahead and grab a kit that she sent me out of this and used it already. It was the holiday movies one. So I needed it. I need to use it right now. So this one's called Santa Mail. Has some pink and red poinsettias on there, or poinsettias, depending on where you're from. Then you got your half boxes on this sheet. And then look how cute the cookies are. Adorable ornaments. Santa's mailbox. I did do a clip once that was this. This kind of reminds me of the one I did with the Candygram one. That was kind of funny. All right, and then we have our freestanding checklist, functional deco dots. Here's our ombre checklist. So it's kind of like a light green, a pink, a gold, and then a red. And then here's our bottom washi. Look how cute that Christmas plaid is. And then we have our headers and half boxes. And then here's the deco. You have some holiday Barbies on there. That's what I'm going to call them. And then you got the letters and flowers and presents. Adorable. And then your extra double long full boxes is the holiday Barbies with like all the things in the background. And then you got your glitter headers. And then your date covers are that plaid. And then you have littles. So that is called Santa Mail. Then we have the January monthly. Oh, goody. It's a wintry scene. And then you have the... looks like a city winter scene. And then there's your side boxes. And then you've got some deco and then some filler boxes. Then you've got some quarter boxes in your date dots and paydays and bill dues. So that is January monthly. And then they usually do a matching kit, and they did. So this one is called January. And you have a big city skyline with fireworks and then black glitter boxes and then half boxes. And then here's our full boxes. We have presents and balloons. There's that winter scene. Almost looks like people would ice skate there. There's our clock. There's the cityscape. Cityscape with fireworks. And we got our fashion girls over here. Fashion Barbies. And then and then we have our date dots and functionals. And then here's our full boxes. So it's gray, kind of a light champagne, a beige, and then a black. And then the bottom washi is so sparkly. It's very artistic. And then we have our sidebar stickers. And then we have our headers and half boxes. And then we have the deco, lots of presents and bows and Barbies. And then we have our two girls in front of the cityscape and glitter headers. And then we have our date covers and our littles. So this is the January kit. Matches the January monthly, if that's what you're wanting. And then we have, this one's called Sleigh Ride. And she looks like she's in like a, I don't know, a resort bedroom. And then the pink glitter boxes, and then there's the half boxes. Here's our full box stickers, so you guys can see that. There's like a winter scene. There's some mousse over here. There's some hot cocoa. I'm not sure what those are. I think they're like warmed pears. I think that's a thing that people do. I haven't ever done that, but there you go. And then there's a little sign in the background. It says something sweaters, snowflakes, cozy blankets, hot cocoa, baking cookies, and fireside. That's what the little sign says in the corner. It's kind of hard to read on the camera. All right, and then here's our date dots and our checklists. And then we have our full boxes, so kind of like a light mint, light pink, light green, and light blue. And then this bottom washi is very speckly, splattery in those colors. And our accent is silver glitter. And then we have our headers and half boxes. And then we have our deco. Lots of deco choices here. Got lots of girls and lots of like gloves. And I think there's a kitty cat and a thing of, what is that? Matches? I don't know. Then there's girls covering their faces in the snow. Then we got our glitter headers. And then here's our date covers, which is the same splatter. And then we have we have littles there. So this one is called Sleigh Ride. I think it's very wintry. I don't think it's necessarily just Christmassy, so that's cool. Here's some glitter red half boxes called Christmas glitter half boxes. Okay, and then we have holiday icons. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Look at the little reindeer. Cute. There's my pink tree. All right, this one's called Magical Rose. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know what this kit is. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite Disney movie. All right, and then here's the pink glitter. Oh my gosh. Look, there's the rose, there's the library, there's all the friends, there's the castle, there's the princess, There's the Beast. There's the Princess. Reading. She's my favorite because she's smart. All right, we have pink glitter as our accent glitter color. Loving that as well. I think I do a Beauty and the Beast spread in every planner every year. So our colors are yellow, light pink, light lavender, and light blue. Almost like a periwinkle blue. And then our bottom washi is pink with pink glitter. And there's our side boxes. And then here's our headers and half boxes. This one's called Magical Rose, if you're trying to find it in their shop. Magical Rose. Look at all the deco. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. The mirror, everything. I've made the mirror. I've done that. I've made the rose. I don't think I've made the dress. I might have to make the dress. It's gorgeous. I've done the book. I could do a pink book. She's got a pink book. Should I do a pink book? I definitely have done a pastel bookshelf, but I don't think it would totally match this one, so I might have to do another one. Here's our date covers and littles. So this one is called Magical Rose. I think I've said it 15 times. And then we have this one. This one's called Shop Till You Drop. So it looks like we're in a mall, and then we have black glitter, and there's our half boxes. Sale, Black Friday, gift list, big mall overview. They're shopping. He looks like he's worried about how much he spent. They look like they're besties shopping. And then we've got our date dots and checklists. And then we have our full boxes in light pink, black, yellow, and blue. And then these bottom washi I love. It's the shopping bag, which I literally have made before for my shop. And then the headers and half boxes. And then look at this deco. Look at all those Amazon boxes. And then you have the guy, he still looks concerned. A laptop for shopping, a little piggy bank, wallet, the girls, coffees. Cute. A big Black Friday. Look, they're like, see, we're both shopping. And there's glitter headers. And then our date covers have the matching bottom washi. And then there's your littles. So this one is called Shop Till You Drop. It's very Black Friday-y, which that's hard to do a spread for. Just because, like, it's the same week as Thanksgiving. So then you kind of do a Thanksgiving spread. So I'm thinking I might do it, like, the week ahead or something. Or skip doing, I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, this one's called Palace Princess. So we have a palace. Okay, so we have lots of different princesses here. I'm not familiar if this is referencing something. So you guys will have to let me know. But it looks really fun. It looks like a palace in the sky. And then it kind of reminds me of those, like, fairy helicopter things we used to play with. And then here's the full box checklist. So light blue, purple, blue, and then like a light pink. And then the splattered bottom washi. It actually looks like paint dots. That's really fun. And then here's our headers and half boxes. And then we have more of those little Barbie princesses at the bottom. Like I said, if this is referencing something, please tell me because I am not picking up on it at all. Oopsies. Here's a storybook. I like that. And there's the glitter headers. And then we have our date covers and littles. So this one, like I said, is called Palace Princess because there's a palace and there's lots of princesses. It's like a princess party. Remember in Princess Diaries when she did that? She had a party with all the princesses. That was so epic. All right, this one's called Bonjour. So we've got our little coffee here in a double full box, glitter double full boxes, half boxes. And then this one is like a winter in Paris. So we've got friends and they're blowing kisses. And you got some food, purse, like a little scene. And then the girls walking and then like the big Eiffel Tower scene. So cute. And then we have date dots and our little functionals and checklists. And then we have full box checklists in light blue, blue, a light gray, and then a beige. And then we have our bottom washi, kind of blue, streaky paint smudges. And then our accent color is the gold glitter in this one. And then we have headers and half boxes. And there's that. And then we have our deco. We've got girls and guys. And then we've got muffins and shopping bags. And then those are washi chunks at the top. Sorry if I haven't been saying that. Here's the double long full boxes that you can use. So it's like the scene. I don't know what that says. I don't know French. I took Spanish in high school. And then there's glitter headers, so feel free to translate. I get bonjour as like hello or something. And then there's like littles, and then there's date covers. Okay, so that one's called Bonjour. It's like a winter in Paris. And then this one, okay, I'm pretty sure they already sent me this. If that is the case, because I'm pretty sure it is, if they sent me this twice, then I will do a special giveaway for this kit when I use it in my planner. So you'll have to be watching for when I plan on using it in my planner. And I don't know when that is because I haven't really I don't know. You know, I'm going to do winter kits all through January. I'm pretty sure I already put it in my next year's planner. I'm flipping through right now. So I might be able to warn you, okay, when it's going to be. Not for a while. It's looking like, oh, okay. It's going to be in February, okay? It's going to be in February. Yes, they did already send me this kit once, and I think they accidentally sent me another one, but that's totally fine. It's an awesome kit. It's a Friends themed kit. You guys can see that. I'll flip through it real quick, but this will be a giveaway in my plan with me in February when I use this kit, okay? So that's my plan. There's your date, dots, and checklist. There's your full boxes, bottom washi, and then headers and half boxes. And then we have our deco, adorable, Nestle Toll House. All right, and then we got our heads sticking out the door and glitter headers. And then we have our date covers and littles, okay? So I'm going to save this back. This is going to be a giveaway in February when I use this kit in my planner. So that will go in a different spot than all my other kits. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. And let me know what your favorite kit was from this haul, whether it was Bonjour or Princesses, or if it was Magical Rose, or if it was Santa Mail, or if it was Sugar Ride, or January, or the shop one, the shop till you drop one. Let me know. I would love to know. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.